Total Quality Management course. Today we are going to discuss about the strategic quality planning. So for any organization in management side, we need to have certain strategies that can improve the standards and the quality of the process. So today we are going to discuss about the strategic quality planning. Because any strategy should be in quality and should be in order to plan accordingly. So in today's class, we are going to see the major agenda is introduction about quality, the strategic plan, and the importance of strategic quality planning, and the key element which plays a major role in the strategy planning, and the process overview, the process involved in the strategic quality planning. Next, the role of leadership and its importance in the strategy quality planning that we will discuss here. And there's a few tools and techniques which are used in the most of the industries about the quality planning that we will see. We are going to see some 3 case studies on the industry like Toyota, Tata, and Infosys, who have applied this strategy quality planning and have got some reasonable output and improved the quality and the planning as well. So there also have a few challenges and solutions that we'll discuss here, and some best practices and emerging trends that also related to strategic quality planning that we'll discuss here. So and finally, we'll take some keynote which is relevant to the strategic quality planning in this lecture. So, what is the definition for the strategic quality planning refers in textbook letter to the processing of setting long-term quality goals and aligning them with the organization's vision, mission, and their objectives. The main purpose of this strategic quality planning is to make quality management. It is a core part of the strategic decision making of the industry. So here they are going to the industry or organization going to focus on the main thing is the parameter is the customer satisfaction, process excellence, and the standardization. Also, in R&D they have to do some innovations and competitiveness related issues. They have to solve it periodically, and they also follow the continuous improvement at all the levels of the products. So in TQM context, the QPE strategy quality planning in a proactive component of the TQM. It is connected what and how of quality to an organization's long-term success makes. Now let us think about what is a strategic quality planning. It's a long-term approach to integrate quality into the organization's satisfaction. So it is supports of TQM, quality management, some ISO standards, Six Sigma frameworks, which are involved in support to increase the quality of the company. Focusing on customer satisfaction, process excellence, and continuous improvement. These are the focus area of the primary thing. Why strategy quality planning is important means it should align with the corporate or the organization's visions, missions, and other thing, so that the cost reduction can be done in optimized way. It will also enhance the competitive edges and latest trends and technologies, which derive the employee engagement and they will take the ownership to development of the organization. It also meets the customer and the regulatory expectations as well. So coming to the key elements of quality planning, the few key elements like vision and mission alignment, customer expectation analysis, quality objective, key performance index, policy development like Hoshin Kanri, and feedback and continuous improvement. These are the few elements to be concentrated on quality planning. Next, coming to the strategic planning process, everything should be an environmental analysis. Quality policy development or developer team can be done. It should be setting quality goals like smart OKR and other things. Action plans and resource planning has to be done. To take periodically, it has to be implemented and monitoring should be done. Evaluation should be done in every short period and the long period. So it will produce the continuous improvement of the process. So the another thing, the leadership plays a vital role in the quality strategy. So it defines the clear quality visions. It also empowers the employees so that the leader can allot the necessary works to the resources to the employees. The leader should recognize and awards contribution to the employees who have done the quality improvement and other things. Facilitated the culture of learning and innovation to be done in the organization so that the employee can earn or learn things in future takes. So few tools are used for the strategy quality planning like Hoshin Kanri, that is the strategic goal element across all the levels, like it will comes under the alignment of the process or the quality. Second one is balanced scorecard. It's the every student will measure the IA1, IA2, IA3 and in some exams in a scorecard like green card. So here also every management or organization should have the measurement level. So the balanced performance metrics, the financial and non-financial issues all to come together in the measurement of balancing scorecard. Next, you have to have some benchmarks and comparisons so that the evaluation for the best practice for others can be discussed and good things can be implemented all along. So quality function development, it is called deployment and translation. The translating customer need to be produce features and other things can be discussed so that the quality can be increased. SWOT analysis can be help us to understand the internal external strategy evaluation. So product development cycle improvement or continuous improvement help us to plan, do, check and act case. So finally, the Six Sigma reducing the variations and defects using the data-driven methods of strategy quality planning. So now we'll discuss about the case study on Toyota and use it for the implementations of Hoshin Kanri. The strategy developed for top to bottom level, so that the key performance index and quality objectives clearly defined by each and every position of the top management to the lower employee level, so that they can reduce the recall rate and throughout the function of the alignment. So this is one of the example the Toyota have implemented the quality analysis. Next, coming to the Tata Steel, in India, they achieved the limiting price of excellence and quality. The employment quality circles and take-home practices have made the drastic change in the Tata Steels, which focus on long-term customer satisfaction and productivity improved. The third case study is Infosys. They have maintained the quality services which integrated the quality strategy in IT sector in all over the world. Which applies is the CMMI and Six Sigma and balance scorecard. They apply the three things from the strategy quality planning. So which results the improvement of client satisfaction and reduce the project delivery on time to the customer. So these are few examples of the quality strategy. The common challenges in the implementation of this quality strategic planning. The short-term mindset and long-term planning can be done. So this is one of the reason. The lack of top management involvement. People cannot be involved in to addressing the ground level or the low level employees and their issues. This is the one challenge is that going on the many industries. So poor communications across all the levels from the top management to lower management. The communication is not in the proper way, then it is another challenge in implementing the strategy quality planning. It is also difficult to measuring the intangible quality goals of individuals on intermediate level. These are the few challenges. And to overcome this challenge, we have some solutions like training and creating awareness among the employees and inside the organization, so that the cross-functional collaboration can be happen. And this collaboration help us to understand the real strategy planning and other vision mission of an organization. It will align the solving the problems and giving a lot of solution to the customer. So use digital dashboards for performing tracking like ERP softwares and other better software help us to understand the individual organization member and their performance can be tracked the periodically, which helps to understand the strategy quality performance index and other things. which also continues stakeholder engagement, keeping engaging the stakeholders like all the peoples and customers in the regular period, so that the periodic reviews and recalibration can be done in the strategy. So these are the few overcoming solutions for challenges which you faced in the strategic quality planning. So emerging trends in the strategic quality planning, there are a lot of industry using AI and data analytics in quality monitoring, integration with suitable goals, sustainable goals things and other things, cloud-based QMS platform, align quality planning startup and tech firms and focusing on experience, quality, UX and CX, other things can be done in the emerging trends and going on all around us. So finally, the summary and key takeaways are the strategic quality planning ensures a long-term organization excellence, which must be aligned with the business strategy to the top to lead by the top management. In real world, cases shows that strategic structured plan leads to measurable gains, which embraces tools like frameworks and other emerging trends, helps to do the successful organization by applying the strategic quality planning and other things. Thank you. We'll see you in the next class. Thank you.